Time to go out for a smoke. Holy shit, I got smashed last night. What a goddamn hangover I had today. It's storming like a bastard out. Let's go see what it's like. Girlfriend should be home any minute. Too bad we couldn't see her in the pee hole. Alright, let's do this. It's pretty cold. I can only imagine what it's going to be like out there. The roads are apparent. What are you doing?
My hands were full. Where are you going?
There you go. What's the road like?
Not that good.
Holy shit. What do you want? I'm going for a smoke. Do you have the keys? What? No. What do you mean, you don't have yours?
I have mine. I just want to go inside. I don't want to wait for you.
Open the door and then I'll... Here's your keys. I don't have mine. Yeah, I do have mine. Alright.
Why do you want to go outside?
Because I'm having a smoke here. Oh, shit. Freak sakes, the girlfriend's just looking at me. Thinking I'm a retard. Yeah, last night was absolute ball. I had an absolute good time. Holy shit. It's really snowing out here, guys. Freak sakes, I hate snow. I'm not going to complain, no hot chocolate. So yeah, like look at this. I don't know how well you guys are going to see this, but look at that. I wish I had my good camera because then it has better quality. I don't know why I keep using this one, but I have a good one. I hate snow so much. A lot of people have been commenting on one thing, which I appreciate because it gives me advice. I was holding my camera down here before I used to vlog. I should have it up here so it's like, you know. Yeah. Yeah, last night was a ball. Holy shit. I think I'm starting to like sticking because you can have a lot of co-hosts. And a lot of co-hosts, you know, it's a good thing. So yeah, we had a ball in there. We were fucking singing. I was so drunk I don't even know if I sang good. But I don't really care. Not a goddamn karaoke contest. But we did get a lot of good comments. I was really surprised. What the fuck? That's the most wateriest hot chocolate I've had in years. I feel like going back. What the fuck is this? Yeah. Holy shit. Like the storm's not even done. And oh, fuck, that's cold. That's how much snow fell already. That's a lot of snow. It's almost a foot. Jeez, I'm right to live in the condo. You think they'd be out here shoveling it, but I ain't gonna complain because I don't want to shovel it. But the plow did come in, by the looks of it. Anyways, I'm all done on my cigarettes, so I'm gonna head in. Yeah.